Hello, hi, welcome. What's up, boss good? Batidi, Koyamora, Koyanach, Absheni, Da. Welcome to another video. Welcome to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Leon Mchwaha. Sorry? Leon. Thick thighs. Tender thighs. Let me explain what happened. So what happened was I was due for a fridge and I had to go to Cape Town Appliances and get a fridge, but silly me, I instead of checking inquiring about the fridge, like calling them and asking them if they had a fridge, I did not do that. I instead went there and and then after that we requested to Century City, and then Century City we there's chill vibes, nothing too much, and we wanted to sit down and have something, and then I was like, yeah, there's nothing here, so we requested back to town, and then from town we went to this place where we got yours truly, I think we got pizza, and then we went back home because there was nothing to do, literally. And this is why it's like a mess. But I do apologize. I will do better. Definitely do better. Sorry. Please continue watching. I'm at work at the moment. I'm going down to fetch a few things for the not party, but it's a little gathering. Ngiyinika ngaphela ukube yinika yabo fethu, so yeah. Okay, si order a few things, alcohol, and so just got endlini and I'm about to go and join the gents.
There's no need for the card name.
So we are going out again. I just wanna beg it up, you know. Good morning, YouTube. We have a fridge, so I'm about to unbox it, but I'm not going to do a video for YouTube, an unboxing video for YouTube, because it's just going to take a lot of time. I'm just going to do one for Instagram and TikTok. So here is the fridge. It got delivered. It was a bumpy experience since I'm in the Bundus, but it's whatever. Let's get into it. I don't like putting unnecessary things. Yeah, Sonic girl. Say hi. So I was bored. And I was like, you know what, Uko, let me hit up my boy Uko so that we can just hang out, yabo. And I was like, Uko, let's go. He was like, where, how, why, when? And I'm like, now, let's go. And then I was like, I'm gonna be there in an hour or so get yourself ready. And then yeah, we're gonna go. And we went out, and then yeah, I think I really tried to make content come together when it comes to this, but I vlogged whenever I could. Sometimes I forget, but I hope everything is making sense as it aligns. And most of the time it's either I vlog on a Saturday, but it's mostly the weekend, because that's when I get time to go out, and that's when people are like out. So that's why I'm doing it Saturday, Wednesday, or Saturday, because that's like my offs are rotational. But here we go. Good morning. It is Saturday in the morning. It is, I think, 8:30. So later we are going to drama for the first time. I'm going with Clayton. I'm not sure if others are still going to confirm, but yeah. So I'm just here to do my craft, and then after work we're hitting the club for the first time. So stay tuned for that. Going to drama. It's a drama. How's it? No, it's a good day. It's the following day. Going to Alice's kitchen in Orbs.
I don't think they can hear
It's so windy. Yeah?
I don't think nobody can hear you.
It's fine. They're used to it. They know that I don't really talk like that. I'm with. So I'm with this guy, the one and only Clayton Mitchell from Netflix. Love Never Lasts. Our cook, our chef. Yeah, I'll write. Fine. Fine. No, you can. Delicious.
Okay.
Morning, guys. So it was a new day. Saturday, the 30th of August, right? So see out. This plan just came up now, right? So I wasn't planning on going out or doing anything this month because we still have like a lot of things to buy. So like, yeah, but we're going out because I need to drop for YouTube. I'm sorry, you guys probably know that I do this every now and then. Sorry. But yeah, I just took a shower and I'm about to head out. I'm about to prep and then Cape Town. I don't know where about Cape Town we're going, but all I know is we're going out. We want to have some good time. Let me see if the weather is clear. Okay, it's some clouds. There's some clouds, but it is what it is, man. I hope you guys are enjoying the vlog so far. Damn, that was close. Anywho, you didn't see anything. Yeah. Hey, let's talk. Alright. Good dinner, manager, and we're gonna head out, go to our place, and then we're gonna go to Ezeven because his ass is not ready. After 7 party, Sabuya, so for now, I'm gonna put this. Silinde Uber. I have to vlog it. So manje, I need to do what's right. Say hi. Namba ne mafia. Abongile. Say hi. So guys, I legit forgot to vlog the food, to vlog me eating. Like it's so crazy. Like everything, I was too hungry. I'm full now. But yeah. But yeah. Samba manje. So late. Yo guys, all right, so we've come to the end of the video. I just wanted to take a second to thank you so much for the support. I do appreciate it. It does not go unnoticed. I know that I may not be giving out the best content at the moment, but I really do appreciate your support a lot. It means a lot to me, and the more you watch, the more people that come. And if you're new, welcome to the family. And if you are like a subscriber, like a returning watcher, a returning subscriber, thank you so much for returning and welcome back. And please, if you're new, please stay. You'll love it here. Thank you for the continuous support. I do appreciate it so much. It does not go unnoticed. I'm gonna head out now. I'm gonna take a jog, and then yeah, see you on the next video. Tell your friends to tell their friends that your boy Leon is right here. This is where it's at.